Hi everybody and welcome to Forex Trading Analysis. It's 8:34 p.m. on August the 16th, Thursday, and we're going to be looking at a few pairs today, but quick risk disclaimer before we get started. Foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk. Before you decide to trade foreign exchange, we encourage you to consider your investment objectives, your risk tolerance, and trading experience. It is possible to lose some or all of your initial investment, so don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Seek advice from an independent financial or tax advisor, and all information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as trading advice or counsel. So, news that we have coming up tomorrow are core CPI for the Canadian dollar and prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the dollar coming out at 8:30 a.m. and 9:55 a.m. So some nice times if you are looking at trading on the East Coast. First pair that I did want to take a look at today is the Aussie dollar. The reason I do want to take a look at Aussie dollar is because we have just reached a point in price where we're extended towards overbought territory, and we have sort of begun what looks to be the beginning of a downtrend. 1.05149 we're trading at right now, which is currently just above the 100-hour moving average, but we have had a little bit of trouble pushing up to 200, which is currently printing at 1.05357, and we've seen a rotation down from highs around 1.05249. So possibly this could be the top of this sort of move to the upside. We've seen a little bit of rotation to the upside from the Aussie dollar, as we've seen some buying in some other pairs over the past few days. Aussie dollar continues to show a lot of strength. My bias for this pair is definitely going to be the upside, as Aussie is a holder of a lot of power in the world right now. But currently we are just above the 100-hour moving average, and that's something that indicates, since we are just below the 200, which is beginning to slope to the downside, that we could see continuation to the downside for this pair. If this is a failed break above, this will only continue to push the pair lower, and we could see even further lows down. First targets I'll be looking at are around 1.04785, and obviously lows at around 1.04558. I'll give you the exact number. Close of this bar is 1.04565. So definitely some good numbers to be looking at in the short term. Definitely, I do think that this pair is in for continuation of the upside, as I said, but we have been in a steady push to the upside for a pretty long time, and this pair does deserve a little bit of a consolidation and possibly a continuation to the downside. So keep a look on the Aussie dollar. If we do break above the 200, bias will be changed, and a long trade will be looking like a better opportunity here. So definitely keep your eye on that. The second pair I want to take a look at is the pound yen, which has also been on a tear lately. The pound has been rising higher against the yen, and we appreciated at 124.693 over the past few days. If you follow the pound yen at all, you know we have been in a little bit of a down trend for a while, but we've just reached up to the 100-day moving average, and this is going to be a huge level, as people are going to be buying and selling their positions in large amounts based around these two levels. So first 100 hours at 100 days, sorry, is at 124.7, and 200 days at 125.115. So really close to where price is right now, and we definitely should see a break over the next few days. If it is to the upside, then definitely I think this pair could have a further push in it, up to highs at around 127.7, just at a nice area of resistance here. And then obvious areas of resistance at around 125.534 and 125.364. So two levels to be looking at for possible rotation to the upside, but that is the worst possible case if you break the 200 and 100. I will be looking for a push to the downside from this pair over the next few days, and it does look like a downtrend is forming. Like I said, if I'm wrong and if price does push back above the moving averages, then this could be a beneficial sign for this pair. So definitely keep your eye out on these two. Some pretty nice setups over the next couple days. Going into tomorrow might be a little bit slow, but into next week, Monday and Tuesday, definitely these pairs are going to be looking to be traded at a pretty high volume. So, like I said, keep your eyes out, and good luck trading. Thank you very much for watching this video. That's all I have today. Please follow us during the week at SynergyFX, and we'll be posting more updates throughout the week.